So welcome all of you. In physics, we are doing two chapters. One is magnetic effect of electric current. That is fine. Okay, Kapil. So in magnetic effect of electric current, we have done one class. Okay, that is already in playlist. In electricity, we have done 5 lectures. Approx 5 lectures we have already done. So, and now we are doing this series and parallel thing, right? So coming to the point, I will just discuss a question of series and parallel and then come to like power and other portions of electricity. In your syllabus na numericals are asked in electricity. ठीक है ना, numericals exam में आएगा. So repeating myself again, just a second. So all the things are getting recorded and we have created a channel on YouTube. Name is Prakash Soni, Oda class. And we have done in physics particularly, we are covering electricity. And we have also started magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. So we are doing in mass, we are doing height and distance. And in electricity, in the last class, we have discussed about series and parallel questions. We have done, right? So moreover, I will discuss one more question and I will next move to next point. Okay. So if I talk about series and parallel, all of you mute yourself, bacha. There is some echo actually. Okay, mute yourself. So one is series. This one is series. This one is parallel. Okay, we all know this. So if I want to know from any of you, can you tell me if there is some V voltage, if here it is V voltage, and here also the voltage is V. Okay, so in series, current is same to all the resistors or different? सभी में current same होता है या different होता है?
Sir, same होगा.
हाँ, current in because only one circuit, current will be same in all, right? क्योंकि एक ही रास्ता है जाने का, right? Only one path is there. And if I talk about current same here, so अगर current same है, if current is same, so definitely voltage will be
dividing.
Will get, है ना? Will get distributed. It means for suppose the voltage here is 10 volt, so it will be like 5, 2, and 3. है ना? Different voltage. Whatever the voltage, it will be calculated, but सबका sum that will be equal to this one. And in parallel, if this one is 10 volt, सब में कितना होता है? If here it is 10 volt, what will the voltage along these resistors?
Sir, different होगा in some में.
नहीं कपिल, it is parallel. Parallel में सब जो voltage होता है same होता है. 10 volt.
Oh, sorry, sir.
That is the basic thing ना. Objective में पूछ लेगा 1 marks. टाइम फेस कहाँ था पढ़ना, है ना? हाँ, so we have learned. ठीक है, अभी एग्जाम नहीं चल रहा है ना? So in parallel, voltage remains same. Voltage is same, but current will get divided. Right? Current will get divided. So if I'm supplying I current, this I current is definitely going to have 3 paths. So current divide हो जाएगा. All of you agree with this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now should I give a numerical? सबको एक numerical देते हैं. Try this one, okay?
Device to connect.
This one is R1, this one is R2, R3, R4, and R5. Okay. This one is 5 ohm. 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 And this one is also 5 ohm. Let me know the equivalent resistance of this circuit. Equivalent resistance. Take your time. Take your time. All of you welcome. Welcome, bacha. All of you welcome. हाँ, Lavanya, tell na. Directly tell on your camera. Be live, है ना? कोई problem नहीं.
Yes, sir. Sir, tomorrow I have my science paper.
So,
वो बाद में, वो लावण्या वो बाद में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, ठीक है ना, अभी सेशंस पे रहते हैं ना। अच्छा, साइंस में आप
sir,
इसी
so
पे
I
कुछ
have
पूछना
a
चाहते हैं?
doubt in electricity only,
हाँ हाँ, टेल मी।
in numerical.
हाँ, टेल मी ना।
Sir, the question, it is given a circuit diagram, and in that it is questions asked in uh,
सेंड मी द
parts.
क्वेश्चन, सेंड मी द क्वेश्चन।
Yes, sir. Right now, 20.
हाँ, if it will be possible for me, then I will like do right now, otherwise we'll है ना, take it like separately. So this one is point A, this one is point B. What is the
25 ohm.
whose answer? Sharanpreet. सबसे पहले आपको सर्किट को सिंप्लीफाई करना आना चाहिए। यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कहाँ सीरीज है, कहाँ पैरेलल है, राइट? एटलीस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू हैव ड्रॉन द फिगर ना, कम से कम आपके पास ये फिगर ड्रॉ करके कॉपी पर आ गया है। अकीब, अर्जुन, अर्जुन ऑन योर कैमरा ना, इतना शर्मा क्यों रहे हो? सबकी शादी करवा देंगे जो शर्माएगा, लड़के, ठीक है? दूल्हे मत बनो, ठीक है ना? यू आर नॉट दूल्हा, वी आर लाइक ए स्टूडेंट ओनली, ठीक है? ऑन योर कैमरा, वरना सबका पिटाई करेंगे। ये देखो, सो लाइक स्टार्ट है ना, अब मजाक हो गया है ना। सो फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए हेयर है ना, यहाँ है ना। नाउ बी वेरी सीरियस, ओके, मजाक बहुत हो गया है, नाउ सीरियस। फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ए वी आर सप्लाइंग करेंट। सो फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए यहां से करंट निकला, एंड फर्स्ट द करंट इज पासिंग थ्रू R1, ठीक है ना? करंट इज पासिंग थ्रू R1, ठीक है? एंड देन आफ्टर दिस R1, दिस इज गेटिंग डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, राइट? आफ्टर दिस R1 इट इज गेटिंग डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, ठीक है? वन विंग जो ये गया है, दिस विल पास थ्रू R2 एंड देन R3, देन वन विंग इट इज R2 एंड R3, एंड द अदर विंग फ्रॉम हेयर गोज इन दिस डायरेक्शन, ठीक है ना? सो अभी देखो, दिस इज पासिंग थ्रू R2, R3 एंड R4, है ना? कंटिन्यूअस बैक टू बैक है, R2, R3 एंड R4। एवरीथिंग इज ओके अप टू दैट? अभी तक ओके है ना? Now देखो,
But sir, there is not no any kind of resistor in this single line which should take out between R1 and R2.
the R2 is 5 ohm, R3 is 5 ohm, R4 is 5 ohm.
Okay, it means the another resistance of R1 is R5.
R1 is R5. Now I'm not able to connect, Sharanpreet. सबसे
Sir,
पहले तो
just
हम
like you make it a parallel connection, parallel combination. You
this
take it
is the
as two
combination
parts.
of series and parallel.
Okay, so this
तो
R2, R3, and R4 in a single line, a series
R2, हाँ,
combination.
R2, R3, R4 are in single line. See, the current will be same. So I'm running the same line. And now this R4 is getting connected to whom? Just a second, I'm changing color, that will be better. So this R4 is coming back again to this line ना, जहां से ये R1 R2 का डिवीजन हुआ था, R1 दिस लाइन ना, ये डिवीजन हुआ था ना. So this again line here it is meeting to this line. So what I will do, है ना, what I will do, R2, R3, R4, then it will come down. But these 2 points, like I'm not putting here any resistance now. Okay, so we have to put a like just a, अगर वो short हो जाएगा otherwise. Just a second, I have to change some word. Sharanpreet, if I put here a resistor, okay, I am putting here a resistor, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
R1,
That's why
2,
I get
3, हाँ, I
confused.
got your point. For suppose this one is R6, ठीक है? So at here ना, this current is getting divided. So one wing it is R2, R3, R4. So R2, R3, R4, and another wing it is going through R6. Another wing it is R6, and this R6 is getting joined to R4, right? So R6 will connect with this R4. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Now this R6 and R4 are getting connected, और फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. There is one more resistance, that is R5. So after connecting these two, there is one more resistance, that is R5, and now it is getting to some point B. You must understand this situation कि आपको equivalent resistance जब निकालना है, you must at least रीड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. ठीक है, अब किसको नहीं समझ में आया, कम फॉरवर्ड. हु इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन, बी वेरी फ्रैंक एंड टेल मी. श्रुति
Got
समझ
it,
में आया
sir.
है? लवन्या
Got it, sir.
गॉट इट? एनीवन बचा जिसको समझ में नहीं आया?
Understood, sir.
शुड आई कंटिन्यू?
Yes,
अभी का
sir.
समझ में आया या
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
आया है?
Yes, sir. Continue.
ठीक 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 है. Okay. So now this R1 is how much? All is 5 ohm. Now this one is 5 ohm, this one is 5 ohm, this one is 5 ohm, this one is 5. Ashna, you are here. 5 ohm. This one is 5 ohm. ठीक है. Now Ashna, you are here. Nidhi, you are here. Now this R2, R3, R4, all are in series na? Series में very simple. Or add these together. So if I replace this R2, R3 and R4, इसको simply I can write R1 is here, R1 is 5. Then in place of R2, R3 and R4, I'm writing R2, 3, 4 as 15 ohm. It is okay? It is okay?
Yes,
Series
sir.
में sum हो जाता है, right? Now I'm removing this all three, and in removing these three, I can write R2, 3, 4 equal to 15 ohm. And now this R6 is in parallel, right? R6 is in parallel. R6 is what? 5 ohm only. And now they are joining. And then there is one resistance R5, which is 5 ohm. Here R1 is also 5 ohm. This one is A, this one is B. You are getting, हम circuit को simplify कर रहे हैं. Getting this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now see, this resistance, I'm changing the color. This one and this one are in parallel. Is it parallel, right? If they are in parallel,
Yes, sir.
Renita, you are here. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 5. Vanilla, you are here. Fine. So 1 by R, 15, it will be what? 1 plus 3, that is 4 by 15. So 1 by R equal to 4 by 15. So R by 1, that is R, will be equal to 15 by 4. Easy peasy burger cheesy. बताओ.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so in place of these two, Chaya, आप यहाँ हो? Chaya, you are here. So this
Yes,
one is
sir.
R1. R1 is 5. In place of these two resistance of 515 and this 5, I can write it as 15 by 4 only. 15 by 4 ohm. ये सारे को replace करके I can write that equivalent resistance as 15 by 4. है ना? Because ये parallel 15 and 5 का parallel result आता है 15 by 4. If you want to name it, you can write it like it is 2, 3, 4 and 6. Na? Write R2, 3, 4, 6. Equivalent of these all. And this one remaining na R5. This one is R5. So R5 is what? R5 is 5 ohm. This one is 5 ohm. This one is 15 by 4 ohm and this is 5 ohm. This one is point A. This one is point B. Okay. Now, can you find the equivalent resistance now?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, Prithvi, tell me, R1 plus this. What will be the answer? They are all in series now.
55 by 4.
Tell me again.
55 by 4.
55 by 4. All of you tell me, this one is coming or not?
Yes, sir. This is coming.
Yes, sir.
So when you add, this will be 55 by 4. ठीक है? And this is, अगर आप ये समझ गए, your work is done. Okay. Now the question will come. First question will be in your exam. कि equivalent resistance क्या होगा? You know, आप combination solve कर लिए हो. Okay. And if you know, you are hero. Now next. आपसे पूछेगा एग्जाम में, what will be the current supplied by the battery? For suppose, आपको इस सर्किट में ना, in this circuit, a battery supply is there. Okay. A battery supply is there. Okay. Of how much volt? For suppose there is a voltage supply of 15 volt. Okay. So can you find the current now?
Yes.
अच्छा background thumbnails, there is a background बच्चा, उसको silent कर लो, ठीक है? Mute your sound. हाँ. Now can you find what is the current supplied by this battery? All of you can find? You know the Ohm's law, एक scientist था. Ohm's
Yes.
law, right? How we can do? V equal to IR, right? V equal to IR. Voltage is what? Supplied by the battery is 15 volt. Current we don't know. We have to find the current supplied by this battery, right? And for this you have to know the equivalent resistance जो आपने निकाल लिया. That is 55 by 4, right? So Dev, you are here, Dev. So current, so I equal to 15 into 4 divided by 55. So 15 goes 60 by 55. That is
12 by 11.
12 by 11 or fine, ampere. Okay, easy. Fine guys, आगे बढ़ा जाए ना. ये resistance series parallel यहाँ तक है. If you know this thing,
Yes,
you
sir.
doing that. Okay. अगर कोई आपको लगता है कि हमको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, I'm seriously telling you that you should check the playlist. Easy form में बताया जा रहा है, ठीक है ना? You can check the playlist. Okay. Now move to next point. ठीक है ना? Next point में move करेंगे. And in meanwhile, I will give you a code. आपको code message करना है, ठीक है? To your mentor teachers. अगर आपके mentor कोई और है, ठीक है? And like if I'm only, then आपको हमको message करना after the class. I will tell like किसी भी समय बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? Now the next thing is power. You know power na? Right? So now discuss. What exactly this power, electrical power means? All of you heard, the next topic is power. Electrical power, ठीक है? So, you know power क्या होती है? What is power? Yeah, this one, power.
Sir, heat produce.
Huh?
Heat produce.
Heat produce, ठीक है? You know power is the मेरा, if I want to judge that कि हाँ ऋत्विक का power क्या है, तो I will see कि in a given time how much work ऋत्विक can do, right? All of you understanding?
Yes.
What? Be very practical. अभी electricity पे मत जाओ, ठीक है ना? Be very practical, and then I will connect to the formula.
Work done by time.
हाँ, exactly मोहम्मद. Right? Point is like कि power क्या होता है? Power is like कि हम कितना work कर पाए in a given time. You have to perform in 1 hour. Exam में कितना लिख लोगे? That is your power. Right now. है ना पेन से. So and it like है ना डिशुम. If you want to do like मतलब kidding not. I am telling that मेरा power क्या है? What I can do work in a given time, right? Understand this one? So now, just from this you can realize the formula only. Power equal to what you told? Work by time, right? Now, you know that V equal to W by Q. Potential difference equal to work by charge, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
Yes,
so
sir.
you can write na W equal to V into Q. Tanya, you can write this na? In voltage
Yes,
equal to
sir.
work by charge. नहीं पता है ना तो you know human beings अगर 11 times किसी चीज को repeat करते हैं, it will go in subconscious mind. Voltage equal, potential difference equal to work by charge, work by charge, work by charge.
सर ये फॉर्मूला तो 9th में है ना?
हाँ मोहम्मद टेल.
सर ये फॉर्मूला
आपको एग्जाम में भी आ सकता है. How it is derived, right? So in place of power, in place of work, I am writing V into Q. किसी को problem है? Anyone have problem?
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
now see this Q by
No,
T.
sir.
Q by T किसी का याद आता है? If you see Q by T,
Current.
किसकी याद आती है? मम्मा की याद नहीं आती है. I equal to Q by T. ठीक है ना? So I can write power equal to V into I. In place of Q by T, I can write na I. Current equal to Q by T only na. Right?
Yes,
Adiba?
sir.
It is okay? So
Yes, sir.
I get the formula. This will come in your exam. Power equal to VI. So देखो ऐसे करके कर लिया. ठीक है ना? Now power equal to V into I. Now point is like कि अगर current नहीं दिया है तो you know this has, you know Ohm's law. Ohm's बोल के क्या मरा था? V equal to I, right? So there is different power formula. At least you know this. अगर आपको ये पता है तो बाकी आप सब कर लोगे. ठीक है? Now you know power equal to V into I, and you know Ohm's law में in place of I you can write V by R.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
na. I equal to V by R you can write na. So in place of this I, I can write V by R. So I can write this formula power equal to V into V by R. That is V square by R.
Yes, sir.
That power equal to V square by R. हाँ, ये भी सही है. If you forget this formula ना, तो आप इसको use कर लो ना. Ohm's law आपको पता ही है. Easy ना. They are very easy. They have no level. बस समझने का है. Power equal to V into I. If I want to remove this voltage, I can write in place of voltage IR na. Ohm's law. So I can write volt as is voltage. I can write IR. So it will in place of voltage I am writing I into R into I. So see, power equal to I into I will be I square R. This is also a formula. Kavnesh, getting thing. आपको बस ये पता होना चाहिए V equal power equal to V into I. ये कहाँ से आया? ये कहाँ से आया? Power equal to work in a given time. In place of work, I write V into Q. Now, this Q by T is becoming I. Power equal to VI. Getting, putting, shooting, getting answer. Now, these are the formulas. Now, आपके एग्जाम में क्या क्वेश्चन होगा? Resistance will be 5 ohm. Voltage will be 10 volt. Give the power. You can do the power. Easy? Right?
Yes.
Now, I'm
Yes,
giving
sir.
you a question. I
Yes.
need answer in 5 seconds. Okay? All of you can try?
Yes, sir.
You have remembered the formula. Power equal to V into I. Power equal to V into I. Then power equal to V square by R. अगर आपको ये नहीं याद है, just remember this one. Power equal to VI. बाकी आप कर लोगे. Power equal to I square R. Okay? These are the formulas. ठीक है?
Yes.
So, if a charge of 10 coulomb
Brahma phone.
passes in a wire in 2 seconds and voltage, that is potential difference, is 10 volt, that is potential difference, PD, potential difference, what will be the power consumed by that source?
50 watts.
20.
20.
Mohammed,
50
how
watts.
you have calculated?
20 kilowatt.
On your camera and tell me.
Sir, 10 into 2 plus 10.
Power, Mohammed, why you are like data save कर रहे हो? Power equal to V into I, right? Voltage is 10. And current is charged by time na only. So that can be asked, right? 10 into what is the charge? 10 coulomb divided by time is what? 2. Right? So 2 5s are. So it will be what? 50 unit?
50 watt.
What?
Watt. Power is watt. Okay. So now unit of power. If I talk about unit of power, it is what? Watt. Right? It is watt. So if in your exam, in place of watt, it can be written like volt ampere. Then it is unit of power.
Sir, what is kilowatt?
Going to that is separate topic, Mohammed. I'm telling बच्चा की power का unit watt होता है. If it is not in option, क्या power का unit volt ampere हो सकता है VA?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, power equals
Sir, P
to
is equal to
potential
VI.
difference into current, and the potential difference is volt. SI unit of potential difference is volt, and current is ampere, so it can be volt ampere.
Because power equal to V into I. You are thinking कि हमको watt ही देगा, ऐसा नहीं है ना? Your board exam will do something different. ठीक है ना? You know all the formulas are there. It is voltage into ampere, or it will be like I square R. You have read na? They can give you ampere square by ohm. Then you will think ये किसका unit है? अरे नहीं, this is unit of power only na. You have read this na? I square by R. Getting things? Right?
Sir, V square by.
Definitely. Just a second. power equal to what? Sorry. Power equal to I square R, right? Now I square R. So it will be what? Ampere square into ohm, right? Not divided by it's into, right? So that can be also unique. ठीक है ना? ये छोटे-छोटे questions है. And you will think कि मेरे book में था नहीं. So don't expect. You know that, है ना? If you are able to score 96 and not 99 and 100, ये छोटा-छोटा questions पूछ लेगा आपसे. Right? So now write the code for today. TIRED, tired, right? Tired, थक गए हैं. All of you write the code tired, TIRED, okay? थक गए हैं, tired. All of you get the code now? So now you can just say, and tomorrow, like what will be the height and distance we are doing? You are able to try the height and distance question, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then magnetic effect of electric current. जिसको नहीं समझ में आया वो वीडियो देख लो. That I am explaining very easily. Then what exactly is the situation in chemistry?
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
carbon and compound.
Carbon and compound. So all of you are like doing this carbon and compound.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
think many
Yes,
of the
sir.
syllabus in your CBSE has been cut, right? Now in carbon and compound.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Periodic
No,
table
sir.
is
No,
deleted.
sir.
Can anyone tell? Just one guy can tell me.
Sir,
Sir, only
periodic table is
chemistry
deleted.
periodic table is deleted and whole carbon and compound is there. In carbon and compound, nothing is deleted.
Okay. All the theory portions of like periodic table has been removed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, chapter is removed.
Okay. All of you,
The chapter is
if you
itself
have
removed,
not the
sir.
PDF of like a board, now you can ask me. है ना? हम आपको provide करा देंगे. ठीक है? All of you
Yes,
now
sir.
join your sessions. है ना? आज 2 sessions हैं आपके. ठीक है ना? है ना? Good luck. है ना? Sessions को अच्छे से देखिए. जहाँ problem होगा, है ना? Okay, सही है. All of you join your sessions. Bye guys. Bye.
Bye, sir.
I will put the recording on YouTube, okay, and in the group, okay.
Sir, what is the code?
Tired, थक गए हैं, tired, TIRED. Enough. Bye Surya. Bye all of you.